My name is Jeanne. You are on a real estate YouTube channel. We're telling about property in Abu Dhabi. And today I would like to tell you about new project in Yas Island. This is the first Elie Saab branded residences on this island. This is nice building which is located in the Yas Bay, next to the promenade and close to the beaches. This is nice 70-floor tourist building. Project consists of 144 apartments with 1 to 3 bedroom. Also you can find 3 and 4 bedroom garden villas. You can see here on the model with private pools, and 5 bedroom penthouse. There is a good infrastructure which project offers to the residents. You can see this big round pool which looks fantastic, and also the sport grounds and kids play area. This project is branded, all interiors will be branded by fashion brand Elie Saab. Project going to be constructed by the end of 2028. Actually, there is a very convenient and attractive payment plan, 40/60. There are some apartments left, and this project is located on Yas Island in Yas Bay area, and opportunity for investors and for end users. Firstly, because branded residences are in demand everywhere and all the time, and in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, in any location, and it's also sign of quality and high-end services. Yas is very popular destination for living and for investments because of this entertainment area. This island dedicated to entertainment, because there are theme parks and Formula 1 circuit and place for the future. Quite very limited number of apartments, and it's also a very good option for investors because it's new project, and there are very high demand for rent, especially for short-term rent. When some events taking place on Yas Island, the short-term rent is a very high demand. And also for the businessman, for business, because this is the cluster of IT and media services and companies located in Yas Island. Some apartments are on sale, and now at the moment the starting price is 4.5 million dirhams. Please let us know if you're interested in this opportunity, and maybe you are interested generally in investment in Yas Island and Abu Dhabi in general. Please find all our contacts below, and you can download the presentation below this video, and you can contact us, and I will be happy to consult you to help you to choose the best opportunity.